Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to the Revo Ultra video series. Today we will be showing you how to properly create a MyRevoCloud account. Please note that this is only compatible with Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox in order to view video. To create an account, go to the www.myrevocloud.com website and click the sign up link. In order to continue, please fill out the username, password, and email address boxes to register the account and click Acquire. This will then send a verification email to the email account that was used. Copy and paste the code into the verification code box and finish signing up. Other than accessing your unit remotely, here are some other key features supported on the RevoCloud web portal. Using your MyRevoCloud account, it is possible to reset the password for your NVR in case you forget it. It is also possible to share your NVR video footage with other users. All they would need to do to access this feature is to also create a MyRevoCloud account. The admin account can then control what guest users can access, such as which cameras and at what time. All of your devices are securely stored on your cloud account in case you misplace your device or are away and need to view your system remotely. Please refer to our tutorial video on how to add an NVR to your RevoCloud account.